If you're a service-based business and you're still relying on referrals and word of mouth, you're leaving a massive amount of revenue on the table. What I'm about to share with you is the exact strategy that has helped over 100 service businesses scale to numbers that they've never seen before. And the best part is, it works the first time, every time. And the reason this works so well is because attention has become the new currency, and Instagram is now the #1 in terms of daily users on their app. This means that visibility from your ideal client is guaranteed. And the great thing about this is that your competitors aren't advertising on Instagram, so that means it's a wide open opportunity. So the first business to do this is going to be years ahead of their competition. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to explain why 99% of service businesses are using outdated strategies and it's restricting their growth. And most importantly, I'm going to show you how to go from inconsistent business to having consistent lead flow. This is going to keep you from hunting down potential clients and instead bring them to you every single day. This video is going to challenge everything you think you know about marketing your business. This isn't just running an ad on Instagram and hoping you get business. This is an entire system that you can implement and change your business overnight. Right now, you think that you just need to work harder to get more jobs. This is what's keeping you stressed, broke, and burnt out. If you stop working, the money stops coming in. That isn't a business, that's freelancing. And trying to scale your business just by putting in more hours isn't the answer. You'll end up being more stressed, spending less time with your family, and then you'll grow resentment towards your own business. And this, unfortunately, is where business owners decide to close their door and end up working for somebody else. And the other problem you're facing is that even if you wanted to scale, you don't have a reliable system in place to bring you leads on autopilot. You're still relying on word of mouth, referrals, and hoping that someone finds you on Google to get more business. And unfortunately, that type of marketing is a game of chance, which is why you're watching this video right now. Utilizing a proven ad strategy is a game of control. It's literally a pull of a lever and you could become the best known business in your industry. Because becoming the best known is better than becoming the best. Because visibility leads to profitability. There has been a massive shift on how customers find your business. 30 years ago, the business that got the front page of the newspaper got the most business. Then 10 years ago, the first companies to utilize Google and rank the highest got the most business. But now everybody is fighting for these same spots, so it's driving up the cost of advertising on Google. The market's become crowded. The real opportunity today is attention. Customers are now following businesses on Instagram to see their work, to verify if they can trust them, and to just get to know the business before they book them. We now live in a trust economy. People don't want to just hire strangers to do the job, they want to hire people that they know. So while your competitors are paying a ton to compete on Google and getting window shopped through Yelp and Angie's List, you're going to have a massive advantage by being on Instagram. And that's where the local lead blueprint comes in. It is a complete client acquisition system that runs through your Instagram. It will make your local business become the most booked business in the area. And this isn't a strategy to just go viral or get a bunch of likes. This is specifically to get people to book you. Now, this is completely different than the traditional marketing agency that charges you $3 to $5 grand to run your ads and gives you no visibility, or some course online that just teaches you theory but doesn't apply it to your specific business. And it can be broken down in 3 simple stages. The local lead blueprint is a hybrid method. I handle the setup and I teach you everything you need to know to build a marketing system in your business so that you own it. And the beauty in all this is that it works whether you have an established account already or if you have a brand new one. And this system works across industries, whether you're a dog groomer, real estate, HVAC, landscaper, roofer. No matter what service industry you're in, this will work for you. I'm about to break down exactly how this works so that you have a profitable business within 30 days. Stage 1 is setting the foundation. We need to build your Instagram foundation in the right way. Most service businesses mess this part up. Their bio is confusing, their profile picture is blurry, and their posts are just generic graphic posts. Your Instagram will become your new storefront. So when people come in from your ad, they need to know who you are, what you do, and where you do it. It needs to be clean, professional, and crystal clear. With that, we use a proven framework to script and film a killer ad to bring more eyes to your business. One strategic ad that speaks to your exact ideal client and their pain points and how you'll solve them. With this ad, you're not just hoping that it hits the right people. We are going to dial in your audience so that it's a 15 to 25 mile radius around your city, targeting your ideal clients. This way, you can take over the entire city. Stage 2, the follow-up and the nurture process. This is where most people leave a ton of money on the table. When people see your ad and they follow you, they're not prepared to hire you right then and there. They want to get to know you and your business. And as I mentioned earlier, this is where you build trust, which is why it's crucial to have a simple yet effective DM strategy. When somebody comes in from your ad, you can't just go into sales mode right away. You need to strike up a genuine conversation. You need to be direct, helpful, and most importantly, you need to be human. You will be able to build relationships at scale, just like I was able to do with my client Jeff.
You think Instagram doesn't work? I was trying to film a webinar for months. I met Carl on Instagram, and 2 weeks later, he had my webinar finished.
He followed me on my ad, and 2 weeks later, we were working together. Or like my client Luis, who found me on my ad, and 24 hours later, we were working together. Luis, I'm excited for you to be #1 junk removal business in Austin. And it's simple. People like to buy from people that they like and trust, which is going to give you a massive advantage over your competitors who are still advertising on Google. Because people only go to Google when they have the problem. On Instagram, you're hitting them and building that relationship before they even have that problem. When you show your personality and connect on a deeper level than just a transactional one, you become the obvious choice. Imagine going from hoping your phone rings to having more inbound leads than you can even serve. Stage 3 is support. You aren't in this alone. I'm with you every step of the way. To give you content ideas, to go over your metrics, to making sure that your inputs are giving you the right outputs. And you own your business, so it's now time to own your marketing too. And now, with this proven method, you will be able to scale your business. So why right now? Well, most service businesses either aren't advertising on Instagram right now, or they're doing it completely wrong. This creates a golden opportunity for the first business to implement a winning strategy. And this opportunity won't last forever. Every single month, more and more businesses are understanding that attention has shifted and they're getting on Instagram. They're realizing that Google, word of mouth, and referrals just aren't cutting it, and they're finally making that change. And as competition grows, the cost of advertising goes up. This means that the companies that move quickly are going to have a year's worth of a head start. This pattern isn't new. 10 years ago, Google AdWords was dirt cheap, which is why the first companies that capitalized back then are now the ones that are dominating on that search engine, and everyone else is just fighting for their scraps. And the same thing is happening right now on Instagram. And while your competition is trying to wait for the right time to get started or figure it out on their own, you could be a lead generating machine and you could be up and running within a week. And look, I know you're hearing all this and you think, oh, this is probably too good to be true, or I tried Instagram and it just didn't work. And that's most likely because you didn't have the right system in place to turn leads into paying customers. And if you're thinking that you're not good at social media or you don't like being on camera, don't worry about it. I'm with you every step of the way to show you that you don't need to make complex videos. You can make simple videos with your phone and still make a killing on Instagram. And here's the fun part. You came in from my ad and you just watched this entire video, so you know that this system works or you wouldn't be here right now. You are a part of my funnel and you are going to be doing the exact same thing with your potential clients. You will bring them into your world, earn their trust, and blow them away with your service that's going to lead to lifelong customers. The local lead blueprint comes with everything you need to scale your business and take it to the next level. We script, film, and edit your Instagram ad. We set up your hyper-local targeting, launch your campaign, build your Instagram funnel, teach you the DM setting framework, provide one-on-one coaching, and give you a complete CRM to track every lead. And as I mentioned before, this is a hybrid setup. I give you all the tools that you need so that you can scale your business and own everything. I coach you through the entire process so that you know the ins and outs of the marketing in your business and you're not relying on an external agency to do it for you. That being said, it's up to you to execute. So if you follow the system and do everything I teach you, you will succeed. And the result? A scalable, predictable lead flow. And the best part is you can have this up and running within 30 days, whether you have a brand new Instagram account or an already established one. We will build this system in your business so that you're able to take over. So if you're sick and tired of hoping that the phone rings and you're ready to take action and actually implement a proven strategy into your business, I would love to hop on a call and see if we align. Shoot me a message on Instagram at Capitaine Media if you're finally ready to scale your business. And full transparency, I'm very selective with who I work with. So only shoot me a DM if you're ready to hop in the driver's seat and actually get to work. Let's get it.